Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply link your Activision account to your Twitch account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to website activision.com. When you're here, let's refresh it. I will press login. Okay, I want to log in, click profile, and then you're gonna see here Twitch. Okay, and now we see click on authorize below. Nice, authorize. And voila, here we got it. And now we got it connected to my Twitch account. See, unlink. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can link it to your Twitch account. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. Have a great day and goodbye.